Hey everybody, Brian back with you at Strong Tower, and I'm excited to continue in our Locomotion Month series. Today we're going to be working on resistance band skips. If you don't have a band, that's okay, you can skip in the room. Just need a little bit of space here, which I'll show you. You're going to need to anchor the band, if you're using one, to a solid attachment point that's not going to go anywhere. By the way, I'm a functional aging specialist, Z-Health movement specialist. So we're going to get inside the band today. We're going to anchor it around the hips, so kind of the top of the pelvis, and then from there we're going to skip away from the attachment point. So I'm keeping a tall posture. I want to think sternum or chest bone up, a little bit of tuck in the pelvis, so the lower back or lumbar getting long towards the floor, and the chest bone up nice and tall. From there we're going opposite arm and leg drive into a skip pattern, and then once I get to the end of that band, I'm going to just walk it backwards back. So skipping away, walking back into our attachment point. You're going to accumulate a bunch of steps on this, and of course we're bringing you the Facebook Live workout tomorrow where we'll be utilizing this movement. So here we go again. We're going to skip away and then walking back. So a lot of coaches will teach knee up, toe up, so we're preparing that foot for strike. We want a little bit of rigidity in the ankle so that that ankle is strong and stable as you skip. And then again, walking back nice and controlled on the walk back so that we don't have that band slingshot you back. That is the banded skip going away from the attachment point, and looking forward to bringing you more in our Locomotion Month series. Thanks.